All right, something a little different. I do a lot of driving from the corporate offices to the farm, and also at the farm I use a lot of machinery that's all diesel. So my point is, I use a lot of diesel, and as we all know, diesel is not cheap. So what I use is a program called Open Roads. It's the green one up there at the top. This Open Roads, yes, I'm in Florida, no secret about that. And so what Open Roads does is, you know, in the app, this gives you the prices of fuel in the area where you are. Okay, so I have mine within a 150-mile circle. All right, so I zoom in, and you can see these fuel prices. Right now, I'm stopping at this this Petro TA, and it's showing me a fuel price of $3.49. To get this, what you have to do is, there's a simple application that you fill out online. It's for RVs and for whatever, people who use diesel. If I'm not mistaken, it's a trucking company, a smaller trucking company, and these guys work with fuel, obviously. So the more fuel they use, the less they pay for the fuel per gallon. So being part of this program helps out this fuel company to use more fuel. What you do is you come into the back part of the truck stops where the trucks are, you know, where the trucks fuel up. So the thing about that also is you're gonna have a big nozzle. Wow, diesel is $3.77 over here right now. That's not bad. But again, on this app, I'm paying $3.50. So what they do is they send you a card. I'll show you how to do it. At these other apps, and so when you keep going to these truck stops, you can get the fuel cards, and you can get points for them. My fuel tank is a 60-gallon tank, so I use a lot of fuel. I fuel up my tractors and all that off of this fuel tank. It's pretty simple how it works. I got my sidekick right there. Let me go to another one. I picked the one pump that doesn't work. A few things about these fuel islands right here. You know, it's for big trucks, and of course, time is money for everybody. Be courteous when you're here. Get in, get out. Please. You know, I used to drive trucks back in the day, and you never stop on a fuel island except for the fuel. Then you pull forward and let the guy behind you come in, or the gal, or whoever's behind you. Nowadays, it's not like that anymore. Everyone is sitting on the fuel island, and I'm having to wait because someone went in and got some pizza. That's ridiculous. I don't know what's going on. But anyway. See, it says, put your card in. So I'm gonna put my card in. And I took it out. And then I have my other card that I use. All right, I set those there by the guard dog. So I'm gonna fill up my tractor, which is really my truck. And then I don't need any DEF. I don't know why. The truck just doesn't really use a lot of it anymore. I don't need any cash advance. I don't need any other products. My control number, they'll work that out with you when you fill out the application. So it's authorizing my diesel. So next, I'll put gloves on. Okay, hey, remove the nozzle. See, it's the larger nozzle. And see, I do have DEF for those of y'all that think I don't. And it fills up. And I'll let that do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done fueling. That's what I did. And only 33 gallons. So that price it shows there is the price at $3.77 a gallon. But when they do the invoice for you, which usually only takes a day, that'll reflect the discounted price. And I'm gonna run inside, so I'm gonna get off the fuel island. All I have to do is pull up. Just be respectful. I just get off the, this is for any fuel pump. Don't go to a fuel pump and just sit there. Go to the bathroom or whatever, you know, if there's a line, get in and go, man. You know, I mean, that's just respect for everybody else, you know. This program's worked great. I've used it for about over 2 years or so now, and it's been amazing. It has saved me so much money. I've noticed here in Florida, the more north you go in Florida, the cheaper the fuel is. Well, we're in Georgia now. Of course, when you hit Georgia, that fuel drops. And I've noticed that at Love's, the fuel is a lot more expensive than at, like, say, TA. But this TA is over the border. That fuel is always cheaper. But here, you see, there's TA and there's Love's. And that's the price difference. Of course, you know where I'm going, TA. That's where I normally go, is TA. They just have the cheaper fuel. So that's where I'm going. I hope this was helpful to somebody. If you have any questions, please let me know below. And please consider subscribing. And have a great day. Thanks, bye.